the beauty of the falls itself. How's it going? Wow! Have some cinnamon. Hey! See you around, yeah, good to see you again. Here, and it's pretty interesting because my adventures is gonna be a little bit different from my traditional adventures, because for me, I love to go up and down. Sorry about the lighting. I love to go up and down Niagara Falls, Canada, and I personally just enjoy playing a little bit of being a tourist myself. And as a local, I actually enjoy especially going down Clifton Hill. That's where I get to see my friends, because I made so many new friends along the way, especially in my own little arcade adventures. You did catch the bus, so I might be doing a little bit of a nature walk for once, because the weather might be pretty nice. There's the bus. Doing a little bit of an autumn walk tour for once. I don't know, we'll see. Back in the day when I did my own Comic-Con video, the Scotiabank Convention Center, which is now the Falls Convention Center, I don't know how many names it's changed over, that was where the Comic-Con was. So, and if you go pretty much around the same corner over here, this is a Zappi's restaurant, an Italian restaurant. I pass this place several times, especially whenever I'm having to catch the bus. Really good Italian pizza. But anyways, I like to do walks like these, especially in the springtime, when it's just starting to warm up a bit. It's still cooling off, and it's pretty decent. I like and I love watching the sunrise from this general direction. You might have a little bit of an idea of how the skies might be, but yeah, this is usually my jam. But yeah, unfortunately, looks like there's no more Blue Line here, because the Blue Line bus that I usually take to get down to the falls and everything else like that, it's not even around. They totally changed the transit system. So this is the sights and sounds. Well, I wouldn't say sights and sounds of Niagara Falls particularly as of yet. This one's the Falls View and Spa. The other one is just past what we call like a 2D hotel. Keep heading down this road. This hotel over here looks like it's actually a 2D print, but of course it isn't. So wait, look at this, the parking though. Valley Parking 65 and executive. That's per night? That's wow. No! And this one here is the Marriott Hotel. So it's a really nice place. If you want to go to the Starbucks, it's to your right. You won't be able to see much of the falls from here though, because there's a couple trees. Yeah, forgive me for not being here in a little while, because I've been really busy throughout the summer, especially down here at Clifton Hill. We're gonna see if we can go the other way, because I want to go through the rail, the Niagara Incline. Okay, so just around this corner here, it's not too long of a walk. This is the area where you can go take the incline, and it's pretty cool. I'm actually surprised because it is Friday morning here. It's October the 18th, I believe, here in Niagara Falls, Canada, yet there's still people around at this time. The falls and attractions, the incline or railway, beautiful stuff. Hey, that's not bad. It's a little bit of a lineup. Ooh. This one here takes you to the new Falls View Casino area. Once in a while they'll have a musician play there, along with certain celebrities, but yes. So right now that's the admission pass. They did increase the fare to $3.50. Before it used to be $3, so okay, I see. Oh yes, and there's the Horseshoe Falls. I just got a text from Wheelchair Rick, but I'm like, sorry, I gotta go do my thing. But hopefully there's the incline. Get around and enjoy the sights and sounds of Mother Nature. All right, and these are some of the passes right over here. There goes the incline railway. There we go. It's like bye bye bussy bussy. There's a Horseshoe Falls itself. Bye for now. All right, there we go. Here we do it again. Friday, October 18th, 2024. Let's go. The beauty of the falls itself. Niagara area. That's kind of funny because people were actually like, there were like 15, 20 people around me and they're going like, oh my goodness, you should be a tour guide. Look at the wonderful colors. This is what I love about fall. And this is real. This isn't like something you can get at a dollar store, put it all together and be like, oh wow. This one right here is Table Rock. It is a sunny day. Beautiful and sunny. Weather's supposed to be warming up generally later during the weekend. So if you head down over here, this is the main Horseshoe Falls area. This is the main, I see Niagara Falls. Where am I at? This is the area. So right behind this building over here, this is the Bridal Veil Falls, the American Bridal Veil Falls. It's a smaller falls, generally on the American side. It's the lesser known falls, but you get to see quite a bit of it when you're walking down this river towards Clifton Hill, and through this building you get to see the main Horseshoe Falls itself. This building is called Table Rock. Now for those who've seen a few of my videos before, I don't often take a tour walking down here because generally I'm just doing my own thing, but a ton more people have been asking about this and they've been requesting it. And funny enough, I do a little bit of travel myself, but I don't usually do vlogs, so just normally my arcade adventures. And there we go. Remember during the Christmas time, they lit this all up. It was looking so beautiful. I have a couple videos on that one, just for the heck of it. That was when my TikTok grew big, so that looks like a pepper. In a way, what is... That is really cool. I have to admit, they did a good job on this one. So yeah, from my personal experience, some of the colors of the trees haven't really changed towards, you know, something I'm not liking yet. Oh, there is one tree that is a nice color, but it still probably needs about another week or two or something like that. If the weather's still warm enough, the colors of the trees might change to a much more very illustrative array of different colors. When you walk through and the weather's still nice, kind of like spring, you're doing your thing. I just love nature walks. So I don't know how it's going to be this time around, this weekend. Last year I've done this, but I usually just do pictures aside from the tour because I usually keep it to myself. But yeah, let's rock. All right, well, this is Niagara Park. Oh, they're doing some construction here. Very interesting. Don't mind the construction, everybody. If it's still Niagara's Fury, Nice. They've done a good job changing things. Park improvements in progress. So, I do have a friend who works down here in Table Rock. He is the supervisor here. Coming soon in summer 2025. So this part used to be a gift shop all around. It looks like they changed that gift shop because they do have a new renovated gift shop at the bottom. They used to have a candy shop right around this area, which they've pretty much revamped. So it's, yeah, that's the one. So it's really interesting. Now it's a bistro and wine bar. Got a nice TV right over here. They did quite a bit here. That is really interesting because I've never seen this building before. I mean, no, sorry, I've seen this building before. I've just never seen this place before. It's like they completely revamped it from a candy shop to a restaurant. This used to be called the Elements Restaurant, but they changed it to Table Rock House. And the prices are not bad, actually. Granted, it's not the greatest, but at least it's not like $70 or $80 like Bruce Chris. Alright, so here we are at Table Rock. If you look through the building, there it is, the beauty of the falls, the windows itself, and everything else like that. You'll get to see the marvelous view of Niagara Falls. Now, funny enough, I think my very first live or my second live, I can't remember. I was walking down from this to see Niagara Falls here in Table Rock and go all the way down to Clifton Hill, play the arcade, and I got like tons and tons of jackpots. It's just insane how it is. There is the new attraction, the helium balloon. It's not a hot air balloon. That's a helium balloon designed by the people in France, specifically for this area here in Niagara Falls, Canada, because they wanted to test the ride out. And it's been a hot success. It's on the American side. It takes a while for it to inflate. But this is not a hot air balloon. It's a helium balloon. And of course, that was part of the restaurant. Right below on the very first floor is the gift shop that you can go through these doors. And it was open to the public in summertime, so yeah. This area here, in general, used to be Tim Hortons. Nice. I forgot to get a drink along the way, but hopefully we can go ahead and do our thing. Oh, I'm a sucker when it comes to this stuff. On the way, the wind is going in this general direction. There it is, the beauty of the falls itself. Ah! I'm like, how am I going to the falls today? The falls, please. Very good. What do you think? Ah! Right? As a local here in Niagara Falls, just want to say my new support once again. Happy belated Thanksgiving. Merry Christmas to you. All around the world. Sorry about the light. We enjoyed falls and stuff in general. Oh, that's, yeah. This one right over here is the information, and it says closer to past Thanksgiving, October 27th. They'll still be running every 15 minutes. Green line. That's this bus right here. It's not the blue line that's in front of us. It's the green line. So we're gonna let the people go through. go. Yep, sorry. Thank you. Alright, and here we are. Whirlpool Adventure course. And yeah, might as well show a little bit of the tours itself. But this is where the Whirlpool Aero car drops off. It's a really nice stop and a really nice place. And look at this. See, there it is. There's the car. Right over there. And the view itself is phenomenal. Down there. I'm not gonna go all the way down like there, but you know. Because this is a sign of good fortune. How's it going? Oh my goodness. Just like the sights and sounds of Niagara Falls, Whirlpool Gorge, and it's fascinating stuff. I know it doesn't go to the gorge, but still. We were just admiring the view. In your next future upcoming episodes of the Samsung S23 Ultra Phone Challenge. Back here at the Great Canadian Midway Canadian's largest arcade.